Why do bodybuilders bulk and cut? It seems like they should do one or the other.
Do you hear all the jokes about the irony of fit obese people? They can run a mile or do the splits, but no one believes they are healthy because of the fat.
I've heard things along those lines. If you are that obese, you aren't really healthy.
Bodybuilders call losing fat cutting. Building up muscle is bulking.
I knew about the bulking. That seems like it ought to be enough.
Imagine a fat guy bulking up. If he still carries a lot of body fat, it defeats the purpose of bulking.
Because no one can see it. But why not just cut, then?
Cutting helps you lose weight. However, if you don't bulk, then you'll end up a skinny fat person.
That can't happen.
Oh, yes, it can. A lot of skinny people who starve themselves but don't work out end up with high levels of body fat and worse heart attack survival rates than semi-fit fat people.
I thought it was the reverse. The fat sustains you in the case of a long illness, but it strains the heart.
But a guy who is building up muscle wants to show it off. Cutting is necessary to reveal the bulk muscle.
Which should a guy do first, bulk or cut?
Ideally, he'll be building muscle while losing weight through careful nutrition and exercise plans.
Burn off the fat while leaving muscle behind.
That's the start. Or convert fat into muscle, but that requires a heavy workout and careful nutrition.
Because working out on a starvation diet will backfire.
True. It puts the body in starvation mode, and insufficient calories means you won't have the energy to work out enough to build up much muscle.
It feels like a fish or cut bait debate.
Oh, that's easy. Cut bait so you can catch fish.